Everyone, isang magandang umaga ulit sa inyo mga ka-heartbeat, mga kaibigan. Sa video na to, babalikan natin yung naging mainit na tanungan sa House of Representatives. Yan, kung saan kinwestiyon ni Congressman Toby Chanco si Representative Swansing tungkol sa committee report ng 2025 budget. Dito kasi magkakaroon ng briefing para sa magiging budget ng 2026. So bago pa yon ay nagkaroon muna ng kaunting hearing kung saan ba na dala yung naging budget sa 2025, ano yung mga binawas, ano yung mga nagdagdag, ano yung naging mga pagbabago. So dito ay dapat muna nilang malaman ang naging status ng 2025 budget. So dito ay panoorin natin ang naging mainit na talakayan regarding dito sa 2025 budget. Yan, medyo napapause tayo, nawawalan tayo ng boses. So panoorin na natin yung video mga kaibigan.
Member to ask questions, the Honorable Toby Chanco from the Independent Bloc.
Yes, Madam Chair. The highlight of the President's SONA was nung sinabi na mahiya naman kayo, Initiative Errata for the Boys SOP. So ang Initiative at Errata ay nanggagaling po yan sa Kongreso. Kaya nga medyo nahirapan si Sec Ralph na sagutin kung paano nabawasan yung iba dahil talagang Kongreso po may alam yan. At dalawang pagkakataon po yan, sa BICAM at sa Small Committee. So I would like to ask the Chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the Small Committee for 2025. Wait, bakit gumagalaw yung oras ko? Hindi naman kasama yung sagot.
So dito ay medyo nagkaroon ng lag ang mga hinihingan ni Congressman Toby Chanco ng committee reports. Mapapansin natin, di ba? Parang ngangalang. So wala kaagad silang maipresent. So nabigla sila sapagkat ito ay briefing sana ng 2026, pero syempre bago yung budgeting ng 2026 kailangan din muna syempre malaman paano ba ang naging paggugol do sa budget 2025.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to...
No. Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is of public record. This is in accordance with our rules. That all committee reports must be given to all members. And that shouldn't be taken against my time because you're telling me that, teka, balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi nila that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no? Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3, efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
This representation was not the appropriations chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public record. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat inalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was not the appropriations chair.
Let's ask the committee secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 Small Committee report?
So, tinatanong yung signed records ng committee reports sa 2025 budget, pero ngayon parang may hinahanap silang nawawala.
Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic copy, dapat lahat may electronic copy. So dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba?
So di ba, nag-usap-usap na sila. Anong gagawin? Ano ba itong ating napasukan na to? Naging hearing.
Meeting suspended.
So yun, nag-suspension ng konti, di ba? Nauwi sa suspension dahil nga siyempre hindi nila kalain na ganito magiging tanong ni Toby Chanco. So pansamantalang nagkaroon ng suspension sa hearing, pwede mong malaman talaga dito or maisip na bakit parang nawawala, di ba? Or bakit parang walang record. Kita nyo, hinihingi talaga yung dokumento pero sabi ni Swansing wala raw signed report. Medyo sensitive ito kasi transparency ang usapan dito. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng pansamantalang suspension ng hearing. So tuloy tayo sa panonood ng video para malaman natin yung mga succeeding na kaganapan dito. So mapapansin nyo ay yan, hearing is suspended. Ito medyo ilang minutes din to eh. Kinat ko lang ng konti to para mabilis tayo. So ito minabilis natin para makabalik na tayo ng hearing. So briefing para sa budget ng 2026 pero nag-hearing muna tungkol dito sa naging pag-google or kung paano ginastos yung 2025 budget. So forward na natin ng konti. Medyo maiinip kayo pag ganito. Forward natin, forward. Doon na tayo sa resume.
As a response to the Honorable Chanco, we will look into the records and
Madam-
look at the
Madam
particular item. The subject matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on Appropriations
No, it's
separately.
not.
So
Madam
we will,
Chair, Madam Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
we will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would
Mer-
have to look into the records. May I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget. Let us just ask the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala? Simple. Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala.
The HGAB itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small
It's
committee.
not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report. Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules. Kasi di ba kung meron, ang dali-dali naman, di ba wala?
So the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is the Committee on Appropriations who's required to submit the committee report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAB.
No, it's not. The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like any other bill, the bill is different from the committee report. There must be a committee report included to the bill. It is not one and the same.
At the point of after the committee hearings are done, the Committee on Appropriations comes out with a committee report, and then it moves to plenary, at which point we approve it, and the small committee works. So now the output of the Committee on Appropriations, once that is elevated to the plenary, is the HGAB.
No.
So there's no other committee report that needs to be furnished by the Committee on Appropriations apart from the HGAB
It
itself.
is not exempted from our rules, Madam Chair. Maliwanag, Section 39. Kung gusto nyo basahin nyo. Okay, I will ask the committee secretariat, how many meetings were held?
There were 2 meetings.
2 meetings. Did you follow, nasaan yung minutes ng meetings? Where were the meetings held? What date? Madam Chair, I can read Section 39 of our rules to make it clear that the committee report is different from the HGAB, but I don't want it to take up my time. Iba po yun eh, kasi tignan nyo yung BICAM. Di ba may BICAM report? Doon sa BICAM report, teka muna, ba't umaandaw yung oras ko? Hindi pa na natatapos yung isyong rineraise ko. Doon sa BICAM report, nakasulat, okay, yung BICAM report, pinipintasan natin. Pero yung BICAM report, may nakasulat doon kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan. Dito sa HGAB, wala tayong makita kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan.
With the indulgence of Representative Chanco, so the COMSEC is currently looking into the specific request as well as the level of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes, I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions
Yes,
while
but-
they're working on
Yes,
this.
I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan.
Mga kaibigan, natapos natin ang video. Simple lang naman ang tanong, di ba? Pero malaking usapin pagdating sa transparency ng budget process. Kung walang malinaw na record, paano nga naman mabe-verify ng publiko at mga kapwa mambabatas. Mabuti na lang nag-resume din yung hearing at nagtuloy-tuloy yung tanungan nila at dito ay medyo nalinawan tayo na sa pagdating sa budget ng 2026 ay merong mga pagbabago sapagkat ngayon nga ay patuloy na may mga ganitong pagsisiyasat na. Ibig sabihin binabantayan na para maging public na rin, para maisapubliko na rin kung paano ba ginugugol yung budgeting ng bansa. At yun naman ay talagang para sa sambayan ng Pilipino, hindi lang para sa mga talagang humahawak ng budget or sa mga nakaupo or doon sa mga gusto lang na ibulsa yung masigit pa sa pangangailangan ng taong bayan. So ano sa palagay nyo? May bagbabago ba na dapat gawin sa proseso ng budgeting? So siguro naman ay yun din ang inyong hinahangad, di ba? So huwag nyo kalilimutan mag-like, mag-share, mag-comment dito sa video. At mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa future videos na i-upload dito sa ating channel. Ako nga pala si Ka-Heartbeat Mel na nagsasabing everything that I do is just for you. Yan, para kayo ay makapakinabang din sa mga kaganapan na sa tingin natin ay lingid sa kaalaman ng iba ay ganito pala ang nagaganap or nangyayari na. So salamat, mabuti na yung may alam. God bless everyone.